Ahoy there, mateys, let's sing and play. From A to Z, learning letters in a pirate's way. A is for anchor, that holds the ship so strong. B for buccaneer, singing our pirate song. C is for the compass showing us the way. D for dolphins, splashing in the bay. E is for the eye patch that a pirate wears with pride. F for the flag, waving side to side. G is for the gold coins, shimmering oh so bright. H for the hook, a pirate's handy sight. I is for the island, a land in the sea. J for the jar of jewels, treasures for you and me. K is for the kraken in the deep blue sea. L for the lighthouse shining for you and me. M for mermaid singing a sweet tune. N for navigator guiding us to the moon. O is for ocean, wide and grand. P for parrot perched upon our hand. Q is for the quest we take, adventures bold. R for the riddle, a story to be told. S is for the seashells, treasures on the shore. T for tides that come and roar. U is for the underwater world, colourful and bright. V for voyage, under stars at night. W for the waves that jump and play. X marks the spot where treasures stay. Y for you and me learning all the sights. Z for zest for learning, it's such a delight. Ahoy little mates, we've sung our ABCs at sea. Learning letters is fun for you and me. So sail away, my friends, with the things that we've gained. Learning with pirates, our adventure has remained.